So there we go. Now we start recording the first part of Milestone 4, which is the Flashbox. So here is the basic storyboard. We see there is like a start test, and no, this is not actually the name of the button, but it'll be like we'll show it in a minute. And these are two different type of questions, like question representations, which is the text box or the button. And finally we go to the end and we reorganize the box and come back to the first scene. So that's it. It's kind of easy. So go ahead and run it. There we go. This is our simulator. So this is the box. There are 5 boxes, and we have different questions inside the box. So we can go ahead and answer it. By the way, if we step through, we try to click those boxes with no questions, it's like disabled. Okay, so I made it easier because I don't really remember those. I'll try to do that later on when the app is ready. So I skip these hard questions. This is correct. All right. So this is that. This is that. This I don't know. This is that. This is this one. Awesome. This I don't know. So basically we are doing good. What? This is 110. Yeah, there we go. I don't know this one. Okay, so we got most of the things right. So the correct answer will come back to the next box, and the incorrect answer will stay in the first box. So we press test N, and there we go. We have 11 questions which are like correctly answered previously, and the four questions remain in the box there. And also, every time we repopulate some new questions inside. There we go. And we can go ahead and click either of them. Let's just do box 1. And these are all the same questions we've had before, so that we know this, like I don't have the answer for this right now. This I have. This is that. This is that. For some reason I think it's always the last of the choice. But anyway, it doesn't matter. Like I can reorganize that later. And there we go. So we managed to do some of these and managed to like get it wrong of some of these. And then out of 11 questions, we have 7 correct and 4 incorrect. And we press end. So all 7 correct answers goes to the next box, which will have the longer space for every review, and also 4 questions come back to the box 0. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. I'll just go through all the questions really quick. Just for the sake of demo, I just skip this. It's gonna be alright. So in the end, it's gonna be like some of the questions move to test 1 and some of the questions move to test 2. Okay, so we have most of them wrong, but that's okay. And so you see we have 10, like 6 correct, and that moves to the next box, and something remain over there. And it's always 15 boxes, like whenever you want to get something fresh. Okay, so we can do this a lot, like all the time. Let's just finish the scene. Let's just for the sake of time, just go through some of them really quick. And that's it. So then we have half of them correct, and that moves to the next box, and this one gets cleared, and the other things that's back to the box there. And let's just finish this by moving it into the last box. This is 01110. Oh, and by the way, the sound is still the same. Sorry, I'm muted because I'm kind of tired of my own voice. 37 1 1 1 0. 37 1 1 1 0. That's it. and we move down to the final one, and this 63, 69, 4, 3, 4, 7. This is my voice, sorry for that. And then we got finally one correct, and we just think, okay, so it's in the box 5, and got correct, so we think we remember it like indefinitely, and we just trust it, and other things goes back to this question. And always like we can try to do new things, and like whenever you want to review something, you just open the new bots, and there we go. That's it. Okay, so that's probably it for our first part of the demo. Thank you.